Hello and welcome to this learning video. Till now we have seen what is the first order, first degree ordinary differential equations, and under this topic we have seen different methods and the method of solving, right? Now here in this learning video we are going a way further than the first order, first degree, and we'll be discussing the first order and higher degree ordinary differential equation, and that is the topic of today's class. So let us see this first order and higher degree ordinary differential equations. Okay, so consider the differential equation this, where this a1, a2, an minus 1, all these things are a1, a2, an minus 1, an, all these are functions of x and y only. The moment I substitute dy by dx is equal to p, what I will be getting? I will be getting p to the power n plus a1 p to the power n minus 1, so on, an minus 1 p plus an into y equal to 0. Or in short form you can write like this, f of x y p is equal to 0. So this is the general form of the first order higher degree ordinary differential equations. Now if you have a first order higher degree differential equation, then it must have solution, and to get the solution of such kind of equations we have four different methods, namely the equation solvable for p, equation solvable for y, equation solvable for x, and Claret equation. Okay, so these four methods will gives you the solution of this equation 1, and the solution of this equation 1 is of the form f of x y c is equal to 0, where what is c? C is any arbitrary constant. Okay, so we have these four methods 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this learning video we are going to discuss the very first method, that is equation 1 solvable for p. Okay, so let us see this equation 1 solvable for p followed by its working rule. So first of all we'll see it, and then okay, so method 1, equation 1, or you can see that equation 1 was like equation x y p, this is the general form, equal to 0, equation this solvable for p. So you have equation 1 like this, then you have to write down this method. In this method what you have to do, you have to write down this equation in terms of a factor. Like you can write the given equation can be written as, the given equation can be written as, if you are not get the filling of this equation, you can just see the equation 1 that I have written earlier. Okay, so the given equation can be written as, what is it? You have to write like factors, p minus f1 xy into p minus f2 of xy, and so on, p minus fn of xy is equal to say 0. Okay, after writing down this, what you can see here, you can see this factor, product of these factors are 0. What does it imply? Product of factors are 0 means p minus f1 of xy is equal to 0, p minus f2 of xy is equal to 0, and so on, p minus fn of xy is equal to 0, right? So this will give you phi 1 of xyc is equal to 0, when you solve this, you'll get the another solution. Phi 2 of xyc is equal to 0, and then you will see phi n of xy c is equal to 0. Is this clear? Now at last you have to just write down the general solution. Therefore, the general solution of equation 1, which is already there, general solution of given equation is, what is it? You just need to write down this in terms of multiplication. It's given as, so you can write this as phi 1 of xyc into phi 2 of xyc into phi n of xyc is equal to 0, right? Or you can write this combinedly you can write this as f of xy c is equal to 0, where what is c? Where c is an arbitrary constant. So you have to deal with the example like this whenever the problem you are going to solve by solvable for P method. Okay. Now to make the idea more clear, let us take an example on it. So we will start with the simple example and we'll take some tricky examples also. So let me take example on this. Example number 1. Example 1. So what example number 1 says? Example number 1 says solve p square minus 7p plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Where dy by dx is equal to p. Okay, so this is the problem we have. Now, as we are going to apply the method 1, that is solvable for P. So what I need to do, I need to write this equation in terms of factors, right? So you can start with the given equation is, what is it? P square minus 7p plus 12 is equal to 0. Is that clear? Now I have to write down in terms of factors. So you can write down in terms of factors as p square is p into p, 12 is 4 3s are, so 3p and 4p 7p, but I want minus 7p. So I just write like this, p into p square, minus 3p minus 4p minus 7p, 4 3s are plus 12. Okay. So I will write this one as p minus 4 into p minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now I can take product is 0, means I can take this is 0, this is 0, right? So I can write here now p minus 4 is equal to 0 and p minus 3 is equal to 0. What does this p stands for? P stands for dy by dx. That is dy by dx is equal to 4. Okay, variable separable. So this implies dy is equal to 4 dx, right? This is equal to, now variables are separable. Now you can just integrate. So on integrating, we get dy, integration of dy is y, integration of 4 dx is 4x plus c, where c is constant of integration. Okay, now I want you to pause the video for a few seconds. Try to solve for this and write down the answer of the form like this. So can you do this thing? Okay, so just go for it. Once you are done it, then resume the video. So I hope you might have done this problem, the half part of this. So let us cross check your answer. I am solving here. So this p minus 3 equal to 0 means this is dy by dx is equal to 3. So this is dy is equal to 3 dx. So on integrating we get y is equal to 3x plus c. Is it? Now you might have got this only, right? Now once you get this, you just have to write down the solution. So you can write? You can write like this, that is y minus 4x minus c equal to 0, y minus 3x minus c is equal to 0. Okay, so you can write like this. Therefore the general solution is, what is the general solution? Yes, the general solution of course of the given equation is, what is it? Help me out in writing down this. Y minus 4x minus c into y minus 3x minus c is equal to 0. And this is the required solution of this given problem. Okay, so I hope this problem is clear to you. Now let me take one more problem on that. Problem number 2. Solve y square plus xyp minus y square is equal to 0. So this is y square plus xyp minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, so let us see this problem now. We are going to solve this problem by solvable for p. So the very first thing you can write, like given this, so I am skipping this, given this, okay, then you just have to solve for p. Okay, so you can write down, sorry, it is not y square plus x square p square, sorry, xyp minus x square p square is equal to 0. Okay, now you just see this. This can be written as x square p square minus xyp minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, writing p square term first and multiplying by minus sign. Okay, now what is p here? As you can see, this is quadratic equation in p. So factors are not visible here. So you can make use of the basic formula, which we will make use of minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Okay, so what is my a? A is x square. What is b? xy. And what is c? Minus of y square. Okay, so here you can write p is equal to, what is it? Minus b. So minus b is minus xy. So this is xy plus minus under root. What is under root of b square? Means xy square is x square y square. Minus 4. What is a? A is x square. C is y square. So this is plus, right? Upon 2 times a. So 2 times a is x square, right? Clear? Now you just see here. You can take x square y square outside of this. So this would be x y plus minus x y. 1 plus 5 is root 5. 1 plus 4 is root 5. Okay, upon 2x square. So 1x get cancelled with this and we remain with y plus minus root 5y upon 2x. Simple. Or what you can do, you can just take this y common from here, and you can write this as y common 1 plus minus root 5 upon 2x. Simple. Now what is this p? P is dy by dx. So you can write like here, dy by dx is equal to y into 1. Sorry, it's not, yeah, it's root. Yeah. Sorry, no, it's correct. Y into 1 plus minus root 5 upon 2x. Now separate the variables. So this is like dy by y, right? And this 2 you can take here is equal to 1 plus minus root 5 dx by x. So on integrating, let me write here. On integrating we get, so what we get on integrating? On integrating we get dy by y. So this is 2 log y. This is 1 plus minus root 5 log x, plus I can take constant to be log c, right? Now I will solve here. So this is log y square. Log y square is equal to, this is log a plus log b. So I can write this one as log of x power 1 plus minus root 5 plus log c. So this can be written as, they apply here, log of y square, log a plus log b is log of a into b. So this is log of c into x power 1 plus minus root 5. Okay, remove log from both sides. You will get y square is equal to c into x power 1 plus minus root 5. Okay, y square is equal to this, and this is the required answer that we want for the given problem. Okay, so I hope the method 1 that I have taken here in this learning video is clear to you. So thank you for watching and enjoy learning mathematics. Thank you.